Hello everyone. This video is going to be on single crochet. So we've already learned our slip stitch and our chain. I've chained 10, but for this purpose of this video, we're going to do 10 single crochets. So that means now that I've chained 10, I have to do one more chain, and that is going to be the chain that we turn with. So not in this chain we just did, but in the one next to it, we're going to place a single crochet. So we do that by going into the top loop of the chain, scooping up yarn, pulling it up through. So we have 2 chains on the hook and pulling through both. So we're going to work our way across doing single crochets. So see how the chain sort of looks like a braid from the front? You're going to go through the top piece of yarn, use your hook to scoop the yarn and pull it up through, yarn over, which means to pull your yarn over your hook and pull through both. Insert, yarn over, and pull through both. This is called single crochet, and it's often abbreviated to SC. It is used very commonly in crochet. It's a stitch that you will see used often. It's not one we're going to use much in the club, but I'm hoping that you guys will all be able to use your crochet skills to tackle some projects of your own once the club is done. And we will be hopefully able to view the fair book by the time our last meeting happens, and we can look and see if there's something in the fair book that you guys will be able to exhibit, and you may be able to use the single crochet for that. So again, another close look. We're going to go into that top hook of the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, through both. And this is our last one for our 10th single crochet. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Then we will chain 1, turn our work, and then we're going to work back across in the same way. So right here in the first stitch, we're going to insert. Now this time, because we're going into an actual stitch, we're going to be going under 2 pieces of yarn. So you can see on the top of this how the top of the chains or the top of the stitches look like V's. So you want to make sure that in a typical stitch, you're catching both sides of the V. So we've gone under both. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. So the single crochet is just insert, pull up a loop, pull through both. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through both. Insert, pull up a loop, through both. There is a video for reminders on the slip stitch, the chain, and the positioning and holding of all of the moving pieces, with you keeping your yarn tension, holding your needle, your hook rather, and that you can stabilize with your right hand to move across. So insert, yarn over, off both, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and that finishes that row. So then the exact same thing, chain 1, turn, and working our way back across. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can continue on with that as many stitches as you want, or however much a pattern may call for, but that is the basics of single crochet.